Hello Volker, welcome at the Materialise World Summit. Yeah, I'm interested to understand why large chemical companies like BASF, top leading world companies, are now having so much interest in the 3D printing world.
There are a couple of reasons for it. First of all, I think the most important reason is that as we are close with many OEMs, with our customers, they are getting more interested. And we want to bring always the best and most innovative solutions to our customers. So the customers are somewhat driving us. But I think we also identified it ourselves. Some 5-6 years ago, we started scouting and looking really, can we as BASF make a business out of it, where we can make a meaningful contribution and make it a profitable future business of BASF. And one of the reasons we are now thinking yes, the answer is that it is really moving out of the box of rapid prototyping towards serial production.
And what are the drivers, according to you, that is technologies moving from prototyping into serial production?
First of all, of course, technology advancements. There are more and more people knowing and seeing the great possibilities this technology brings about, but I think even more so, it is the fact that indeed functional integration and time to market are very important unique selling propositions of that technology, and they gain importance in an ever faster moving world outside.
Okay, so you have offered your materials to Materialise for testing. How do you see that, where do you imagine that Materialise can play a role in developing these AM possibilities?
We truly believe that Materialise is an outstanding pioneer for the additive manufacturing community. Beyond its own activity space, you have really done a lot for that industry. So by working together with you, it is very important to get your feedback. You have so much experience, so who better can give us a feedback how our materials and our services perform, where we will probably still need to make some improvements, adjustments, and that feedback we would immediately feed back and come with even better solutions. And I'm very much looking forward to this collaboration.
Yeah, so do I. I do believe indeed that with new materials we will be able to develop new markets. Materialise has been always in favor of open collaborations, open partnerships. We have collaborations with machine makers, we have collaborations with CAD vendors, CAD providing companies. Our software platforms are open and connected to the majority of the systems. How important are, for a company like BASF, open systems to develop new markets?
I think the closed systems that were dominating at least parts of the additive manufacturing world were prohibiting growth. And we are absolute believers in the fact that the best and most creative minds of various disciplines, and that means also various companies, should work together in an open environment. And with this we would accelerate the development of new use cases, and everybody would benefit from it. So we are a super supporter of open business models and open collaboration. That is the fundament of our business model for developing 3D printing.
Thank you very much for sharing those ideas with us, Volker, and I hope you have still a very good time here at Materialise.
I'm sure. All the presentations so far were great, the atmosphere is great, and I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.